Okay, hello everyone. My name is Clark from NovaStar. Today I'm gonna introduce to you our latest product, sending box MCTRL660 Pro. This one is the upgraded version of 660. 660 Pro has 6 Ethernet outputs, and we have HDMI input, HDMI loop, SDI input, and SDI loop, and also the DVI input, DVI loop. This one has 6 Ethernet outputs, especially for the fine pitch panels. Sometimes 4 ports is not enough, so we designed 6 ports. So you can use these 6 ports to load up your wall. The total capacity is 2.3 million. Okay. Our website. If you are interested in this one, you can search our website www.novastar.tech.